Are you in the middle of a divorce or custody case in Connecticut and a guardian ad litem has been appointed? I'm Matt Dolan with Dolan Divorce Lawyers in Connecticut, and today I'm going to explain how to prepare for a meeting or interview with a guardian ad litem. In Connecticut, a guardian ad litem, or GAL, is appointed to represent the best interest of the child. Always keep in mind that they do not represent you or your spouse. They investigate custody and parenting disputes, and they ultimately make recommendations to the judge about what parenting plan is best for your child. Throughout the process, there are a number of things that the GAL will want to know. They will want to understand the daily routines of the child and the caregiving responsibilities of each parent. They'll want to understand each parent's relationship with the child, the conflict history and communication between the parents themselves and each parent and the child, and they will want to know what each parent wants to happen with regard to custody and why. In order to learn all this, there are a number of things that the GAL will need to do, but one of those things is they will meet with both parents probably a series of times. When you're preparing for those meetings, there are a number of things you want to keep in mind. First off, always be truthful. The GAL has a lot of power in the process, so if you ever lie or they catch you in a lie, that will kill your credibility with the GAL, and that will definitely hurt your case significantly. You also always want to focus on what is best for your child and avoid speaking negatively about the other parent, unless of course you're raising a genuine concern about their relationship with your child or their interactions with your child. But even in pointing out those flaws, you want to always stress the importance of the other parent's relationship with your child. Also, always have facts and evidence ready. Dates of key events, proof of what you're saying, whether that's text messages, emails, etc. You need to back up what your claims are with evidence. And always be as organized and responsive as possible. The GAL is going to need a lot of documents. They may need you to sign releases. So be responsive and provide those documents in a timely and organized way. And that organization and responsiveness is also a sign of stability, which will encourage the GAL to see the strength of your ability to parent your child. And finally, always be courteous to the GAL. They, again, have a lot of power in this process. So even if you don't like what they're saying, be courteous and understanding of what their recommendations are. There are a number of things that you should not do during your GAL interview. Again, don't express too much anger or negativity about your spouse, and definitely do not minimize the importance of their relationship with your child. Don't exaggerate or lie about things. Definitely do not coach your child on what to say if they have an interview with the GAL. The GAL will be able to sniff out if there has been coaching, and that will definitely negatively impact your case. And finally, don't tell the GAL how to do their job. Different GALs have different approaches, so just get an understanding of how they want to approach your case and be responsive to that approach and follow the GAL's direction. It's also very possible that your child will be interviewed by the GAL, or at the very least, the GAL will observe you and your interactions with your child. That can be an unfamiliar process for your child, so you will definitely want to prepare them for that. And the best way to do that is to ask the GAL how they think you should prepare your child for that interaction, and then follow the GAL's recommendations. So those are the basics on how to prepare for a GAL interview here in Connecticut. As usual, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact our office. And if you're looking for representation in a divorce or family law case here in Connecticut, we would invite you to contact our office as well.